guys. Alright, John, it's recording.
Alright, guys, so now we are at the creek, like I said.
The creek?
Yeah, we are at the creek.
Yep. It's beautiful.
We're gonna go down to the pond over there.
The pond, boy. Alright, guys, so yeah, go ahead, check out my channel. It's Patrick Mcilroy.
Yeah, no, go check out their channel. Check out the channel.
I'm gonna beat you up.
Alright.
Sorry, you got fooled. I admit it, you got fooled.
Boy.
We all know that was fake. You did that for the view.
Oh, dude, there's someone here.
Hey, guys. Hey, recording?
No.
So this is how you cast. First, you carry it like this, and then you do that.
No, you go like this. You go.
Oh, John, you're getting a bite. Wait, I want to see if you'll get a bite.
You should.
What are you doing, Jay? Oh, John.
Man, it took my bait.
He said that he took my bait. That's messed up.
Boy.
Let's see.
Oh, John.
Got him. Boy! I got this.
John. It's zoomed in right now, so. Oh, you got a bite.
Boy!
John.
Boy, I'm trying. Don't judge me, person. You're just a person to me, not my friend. Better take the bait. You better take the bait. Take it. Do as you're told. Do as you're told.
Oh.
Do as told. And
Wait.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Good boy.
Dude, I don't think it ate it.
Once I catch you, I'm gonna do first attention. Got it? Real first attention.
It's gonna get real.
Real in here. When you hear,
Dude, it's perfect.
when you hear I'm gonna do surface tension, and when you hear I'm gonna do real surface tension, we're about to get real
John.
in here. Got him. Surface tension, boy. Surface tension.
Surface tension.
Pause. Spotlight. Okay, you don't know this is spot.
Alright. Surface tension.
Alright, guys, so we're here at the
It's a good camera.
creek. It's behind the pond. The pond's right up there.
Far.
Patrick's right there. Go check out his channel. Patrick, why are you so silent? Alright.
And also subscribe to me.
Yeah, go check out his
Jeremy
Survival
Jr.
Simulator Gassy Edition. You know what Gassy Edition is, then
Please be quiet. Thank you.
basically where Jeremy farts. And YouTube, please don't demonetize me for that. Or demonetize this video because of that. Just YouTube, go watch his video and you'll know what I mean.
Hey, where's my tablet?
It's in there.
Why would you leave my tablet on?
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, you didn't know.
Alright.
Alright, fish, John.
Boy. Let's do this.
Do I zoom in?
Patrick, what you doing? Where are you going? This is the creek.
Do I zoom in?
No, because I can do the crop.
Alright.
I'm reeling in a little.
Alright, see it. Where's he going? You're gonna take turns.
Going.
Oh, that's a
Hey,
very
what's up?
small one.
Guys,
Wait,
look at this.
wait, where's Pat going? I thought we were gonna take turns. Shh.
Oh, what? Alright, there we go. Alright, got the trumpet. No. Look. What's that on it? What? Ew. Alright, let's let him go.
What time is it? I really want to go back to the house so I can eat a taco.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. Hungry.
Yeah, bro. I want to go eat a taco.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Where is Patrick?
I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. I mean, I caught a fish, so he should have. He should have like came back by now. I don't know.
He's
Oh, I got one. I got one. Oh, I had one.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna take turns, Jake. You want?
Nah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You want to fish?
That was a
right?
hiccup. Yeah.
Oh, get ready, guys. I think I'm about to go in. Wait. Got him.
All right.
Yeah,
Is that the same? No.
No.
Is it a bass?
Oh, that's a chunky guy.
If that were a bass, that'd be like the perfect one to keep, right?
All right, guys.
Like
Look
that size.
All right, it's gone.
Where in the heck is Patrick?
I don't know.
He should be enjoying with us.
I know. Like, look at this. Like, watch. Okay. I'm guessing 5, 6, 7, 8. I reel in a little bit. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I gotta bite at like. Alright, I'm gonna count in 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got one.
7.
Oh.
Oh, is that a bass?
No, it's not fast.
I know.
Alright.
We should say we caught a bass. That way Pat can come here.
Yeah.
I'm just joking.
No, actually, let's do that so he comes over.
No, he'll be disappointed for that lie.
Wait, oh, that was a bad catch.
Yo, it's Dorami here.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. No. Let's do this.
Merry Halloween.
Merry Valentine.
No.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Ooh, you got it.
Got one. Oh, no, come on.
I want to, but Patrick, I need to record him too.
Wait, I don't know. Alright, let's do this.
Patrick, there's fish here.
Dad, there's a lot of fish here. I've already caught 4.
He's caught 4 fish.
Once the barber goes down, say about 5, so almost 5 fish.
Almost 5.
Come on, Patrick.
Swerving. Oh my goodness, Patrick, come over here because I am starting to get mad. I'm gonna go tell mom and dad that you are being bad. Nah. Ooh. Ooh, no, you had that. No, you didn't. My bad.
Alright.
For real though, where is he? I'm about to.
Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. That's a perfect catch.
Can't see him.
I don't see him. Record. I think I'm about to go in. No. Got him. Is that a bass? Actually. Oh my gosh, that's huge. That's big.
What is that?
It's a bluebelly chub.
Oh, that's not.
Oh, no, whenever you catch a bluebelly chub, guys, to hold them, just put your hand on the thorns. Or on the horns. Yeah, the horns don't hurt.
Yeah, no. What in the heck is Pat doing?
I don't know. Alright. Alright, Jay, you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Let me get this. There you go.
Is there bait?
Yeah, there's bait. Alright, Jay's about to try. Let's do this.
Subscribe to Jeremy Jr.
You subscribe to Jeremy Jr.
And don't dislike my video.
Please.
Please don't.
Alright. I'm gonna go over there, guys.
What if I said don't dislike my video? You cut out the don't part. Dislike my video.
Oh my gosh. I might do that. No,
Everyone's disliking? What's happening?
Alright, you got this. You getting something? No? Alright. Here, recast and then cast like right over there. Got it?
Yeah. there even bait on it?
Is your where's Patrick? Boy.
I went to the original spot that he's open.
Yeah, I don't see him. Oh, perfect. No, stand like right over there. Perfect. We'll be back once he starts to catch a
And
fish.
we are the dreamers of dreams.